In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A17 and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. To clone apps on this Samsung smartphone, you don't need to go into Play Store and download any cloner. You also don't need any special tricks, because Samsung smartphones allow users to clone apps using settings. To do it now, enter Settings and scroll to tap on Advanced Features. Now scroll all the way down to click on Dual Messenger and tap on gray switcher next to one of your available apps you want to clone. Then hit Install in the pop-up and wait. As you can see, my app was successfully cloned. If you want to, you can always tap on Use Separate Contact List. Enable this option thanks to this switcher at the top right corner, and then hit Select Contacts to pick them. In order to do that, hit Add at the top right corner, tap on your contacts, and when you finished, select Done. Then go back. If you want to disable this option completely, you can always use the same No Blue switcher and choose OK and use your regular contacts pop-up. Last but not least, to delete your clone, tap on blue switcher next to your app and hit Uninstall in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!